What's going on, guys? We are back at the condo. Ryan is making some funny gestures over there. We're back here again for another ski weekend after Christmas. You guys just saw the before Christmas episode. Now we're doing post Christmas. Should be a pretty boring, nothing really going on, totally chill, lax trip. Let's find out. The burning ones are like $200. It's hyper smooth. Shit. Alright, night one. Derek showed up.
Here we go.
Ella, Kabibi have shown up.
Alan is here.
Roy's been here, duh. And yeah, night session. Snow's very slushy, so we're gonna test out how this new GoPro works, especially at night. Now we're filming on a GoPro Hero 8, so this should be pretty sick, pretty stable, and I guess we're just gonna get after it. Okay, so hopefully the footage so far has been good. I'm in the dark right now. I actually don't have that many lights out here, but it's been fun. Night skiing is always a good time. The boys are all hanging out. Derek's doing really well. He only started skiing like 2 weeks ago. So night one on the hill. From what I can see on the GoPro screen, we're looking pretty good. Looks pretty smooth.
What a nerd.
Hey.
Nerd.
Love you.